Another real quick and easy recipe is what I like to call Mexican shepherd's pie. And what it is I've browned hamburger meat. I added so 1 pound of hamburger meat, a package of taco seasoning. I put a little extra chili in there just for some zest. I put some thyme in there. I put some parsley. I put a can of very crispy corn. And now I'm going to just dry it. And then when I get to camp, I'll just turn around and rehydrate it. Put some water in, let it come up. And then while I'm doing that, I'm just going to put on top of it mashed potatoes. So there'll be instant mashed potatoes with the butter and the milk, the one, the mixture I showed you. And I can easily mix those up and heat those up. Like I just put hot water in a cup or something and put them on top. And there's your shepherd's pie. Simple and easy.